Hey beautiful people, it's Coach Steph here, and this week we're talking about something powerful. What you see, what you say, and how you move. Clarity doesn't stop at having a vision written in a notebook. Real clarity shows up in how you talk about your future and how you step toward it every single day. You can't build a life you keep speaking against. So this week, we're choosing to see clearly, speak intentionally, and move boldly in the direction of where you're going. Take a deep breath in, hold it, and exhale slowly. Picture the version of you who's focused, disciplined, confident, and working in purpose. Hold that image in your mind as we go into this affirmation together. I allow myself to see what's possible for me. I don't downplay my vision. I honor it. I see my goals clearly. I see myself winning, growing, and progressing. I see those openings that align with my purpose. The way I speak about my life matters. My words are not empty. They carry weight, direction, and power. I speak life over my future. I speak confidence over my calling. I speak progress over my path. I refuse to speak from fear when I'm called to speak from faith. My language matches my vision, and then I move. I don't wait for perfect conditions. I take aligned steps with what I have right now. I take action that reflects my goals. I show up for myself even when it feels uncomfortable. I move like someone who knows they are going somewhere great. Each step, each choice, each word is building the life I've seen in my spirit. I'm walking into what I once only imagined. Now take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, release every word of doubt you've spoken over yourself. Say this with me. I see it, I speak it, I step into it. Again, stronger and more certain. I see it, I speak it, I step into it. This week, let your vision guide you. Let your words agree with you, and let your actions back you up. You're not just dreaming it, you're stepping into it. If these affirmations helped you to see your path more clearly, imagine how powerful it will be when others lock in too. Hit like if you're committed to clarity, subscribe to keep your vision sharp every week, and share this video to help someone else cut through the noise and step into their purpose. Stay focused, stay clear, and keep moving boldly towards your vision. This is Coach Steph, reminding you that clarity is powerful when you live it out. Again, stay focused, stay intentional, and I'll see you next week as we continue our clarity and focus journey. Thank you for listening.